welcome back to Stewie's Garage. Today we're going to do some repairs on this Ford Explorer. It's a 2004 Ford Explorer with the 4-liter V6. There's an issue where the harmonic balancer basically splits apart and the belt will ride on the inside rubber of the harmonic balancer. Here's what it sounds like. A little chirping. Looks pretty normal though, doesn't it? That main pulley, it's the one past the fan. Got a new one here I'm going to throw in. But that's what we're dealing with today. I'll show you what I mean. You'll see later in the video. But yeah, we're going to start tearing this apart. So I think I'll start by removing this fan shroud. It's just an 8mm. Now I'm going to remove the fan. You should always leave your serpentine belt on when you do this. Alright, now I got to try and take this fan off, but my biggest wrench, which is an adjustable, doesn't fit. So to get closer, I'm going to try and take this fan off of its fan clutch. So let me take these 10s out. And we'll see where that puts us. Now I've got room with those fan bolts out. I left one in just to keep it in place. But now I got room to get my big wrench on there. Oh no, it's not reverse threads. Lefty-loosey. Okay, and then I'm going to pry it with a screwdriver going the other way and sandwich between a bolt and the actual shaft the fan, and that was pretty easy. Now I just got to spin the whole thing off. And drop it, of course, against the radiator. Now, old mechanic told me you always need to store your fan clutches vertically because they'll leak fluid if you lay them on the ground for too long, so it's good to stand it up against something. I gotta pop this serpentine belt off now because it's not gonna hold the crank still enough for me to break the crank bolt loose. I'm gonna have to fix the crankshaft some other way. Normally I use this nice serpentine belt tool, but this is just in the position where it's not gonna work because the upper radiator hose is in the way. So I can do what I always do and build a tool with my tools. Got a 14 on a 3/8 wrench. Just put that in there with some leverage. Pop the belt off. I am replacing this belt because if you look at it, it's pretty cracked, gross, dried out. Oh man, that's crazy. I'm peeling the belt off of the crank pulley. I don't know if you could hear that. But yeah, it was like kind of glued there. And it was just because it was like rubber on rubber. And it actually cut its own tracks into this rubber part of the crank pulley. Or the inner part of the harmonic balancer. Here are some of the things I've purchased. I got the harmonic balancer, there's a part number, got a new serpentine belt, mine's an XLT, and then I got a harmonic balancer puller, so we're gonna have to figure that out. So I'm having a really hard time getting this pulley to stay still while I try and turn that main bolt on the harmonic balancer. So I think I'm going to throw a ratchet strap around it and anchor that to the frame, and we'll see how that goes. I gotta move this oil cooler. Or transmission cooler, or whatever it is. Let's pull this out a little longer. That's good grip on there. Okay. That's pretty snug. Let's see how it turns. Seems to be holding okay. I might need to go to do it a little more, but let's see if I can get this breaker bar to go. Nope, it's still twisting. Okay, I repositioned the ratchet straps. Let's see what happens now. Oh, come on. All right, it just broke loose. Oh, that is tight. Woo. Nice and loose now. Oh wow, finger loose. That's a long bolt. Okay, here's the harmonic balancer kit with all the bolts. Here's how it works, I guess. Cool, let's go put it on the car. Okay, I put the main bolt back in.
What kind of sparkling water do you want? I'm thinking of doing blackberry lime.
Sparkling water?
Mm-hmm. Actually, maybe I should just do one regular flavor. I tried to put up a grapefruit yesterday and it was good.
Yeah, I'm cool with whatever. Oh, I can't get this to work. Oh, it's just the threads are really dirty, maybe. I don't know. I have better luck with the other ones. I was able to find a bolt that was the same threads. My spare crap. Alright, finally I got that puller on there. I had to adjust the tool a little bit and grind down this edge because my pulley is messed up so much that I can't reach the harmonic balancer with these bolts because this rubber has pushed out so far. So I found a long bolt and then I grinded this down for the short bolt. So finally we're all set up and we should be able to pull this out. Oh. Oh, crap. No, I'm good. Okay, guys. Check that out. That is a harmonic balancer that is separated. And it ground down and made its own track for the belt. Look at that thing. I can't believe this car still ran. And if you put it next to the new one, there's the new one, there's the old one. It's just a whole nother layer. So yeah, I gotta get that installed. Should be good. I'll just do a time lapse on the installation. Torquing to 41 foot-pounds. Alright, now a new belt going on. Check it against the old belt real quick. Oh, it looks about the same. Cool, well, all back together. Let's see how she runs. Well, she runs pretty good, so I'm gonna go to bed. And yeah, tired. I need to get rid of this aftermarket hood strut as well, but not tonight. Yeah. Thanks for watching Stewie's Garage, and like and subscribe if this video helped you out. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. So
I make you cherry.
Cherry.
Are you sure that you don't have a preference? There's mango, strawberry, blackberry, lime, and grapefruit.
Blackberry?
Okay.
See you guys later.